I'm saying subscribe for Instagram. Oh god, okay. So please go and follow on another. Please. What I'm saying. Okay. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fashion related video and I'm so excited for this as this is going to be my first fashion styling sort of a video, and I'll be showing you some ways in which you can style a basic black t-shirt. So basic black t-shirt is something that one should definitely own. So if you don't have one, you should probably go and check some of the sites in which you can buy a black t-shirt, because that is something that you should definitely have in your wardrobe. And I'll be styling a black t-shirt, the one that I'm wearing. You can already see it's like a black full sleeve turtleneck t-shirt. Turtleneck is something that I love. I mean, especially when it's winters, every t-shirt that I look for is a turtleneck, and it is somewhere a weakness for me that mostly all the t-shirts that I have in my wardrobe are turtlenecks. I don't know what's the thing with me about turtlenecks. I just love them. But anyway, that doesn't matter. You can go in for a v-neck or a round neck as you like, but a black t-shirt is so necessary in your wardrobe, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So I've basically started a new series, a fashion styling series, in which I'm styling different outfits in multiple ways, and I'm even bringing out new themes and making it interesting and fun. So if you haven't subscribed to our Instagram page, I'm leaving the link down, so please go and subscribe. So not subscribe, follow. I'm saying subscribe for Instagram. Oh god, okay. So please go and follow on another. Please. What I'm saying. Okay. So please go and follow our Instagram page right away. I'm leaving the link below, so that you can always be updated with all the fashion related trends and even beauty and skincare. So please go and follow our Instagram page right away, obviously after watching this video. And before heading to the video, I'd like to tell you a few things. That why is it so important that you need a black t-shirt in your wardrobe is that black t-shirt is such a universal piece that you can style it with western outfits. You can go in for office work, you can go in for casual, you can go in for even you can go in for any party wear or any occasion or any function, anything. You can basically style this black t-shirt. I can style this black t-shirt in different ways and for any occasion, literally. And if you don't believe me, I think I'll just get you into the video so that you can see for yourself. Okay, so the first outfit here I'm wearing is a black t-shirt, the same one that I'm wearing, and I've styled it with some black bell bottoms, and I'm wearing a tan belt just to break the color because there's too much of black happening in the whole outfit. So just to break the color, I have taken a tan belt and I've taken some jewelry as well, because the outfit just looked that it's just one color that I've played with in the whole outfit. So I just thought of breaking that color. So I took a tan belt and some jewelry with it, and even a bag, like take any shoulder bag for that matter, because I think that looked very good with it. And even if it's winters, you can wear a jacket. You can wear a tan jacket like I worn in this one, and trust me, it's gonna just amp up your look. So now moving to the second outfit, that is an outfit that I have styled for work wear. So now work is something that you have to look obviously very neat, tied up, very put in place, and even be confident in what you wear. So I've styled this black t-shirt with some white trousers. Trousers are something that obviously everybody likes to wear for work, and these black trousers just complements it so well. I've just taken some studs, some stud earrings, because I think minimal is something that you should go for when you're going for a work outfit. And just in case there are winters, you can even take a black blazer. That will just again make your look even more interesting and even more attractive and appealing. So that is something that you can definitely try. But I completely love this look, and I think it goes so well for that work meeting sort of aura, and I think it will go just well for that. Okay, so now coming to the third outfit, that is I've styled this black t-shirt again with a skirt. So you can see how versatile this black t-shirt is. You can style it with denims, you can style it with trousers, and now I've styled it with a skirt. And again, I'm not taking any thing on my neck. Instead, I've taken these big hoops, which I think are perfect. And also I've taken this jacket here. It's not a jacket actually. It's something that I wear in summers only, because the material is so nice for summers that you don't have, like, it's a summer outfit basically. And I've just taken it to again layer it up, and because I've taken a printed skirt, I have taken a very basic neutral color cape or a jacket, I would say, on it. So this outfit is personally my favorite from the whole series that I'm going to show you, and I just completely love how it turned out. And okay, so this outfit is something very different. I never thought that I could actually create something like this, but when I had just kept all my pieces there, like all the Indian pieces as well, I thought, let's just create an Indian look with a black t-shirt, and that's exactly what I've done in this. I have basically paired this black t-shirt with any skirt or even with a lehenga. In fact, the whole outfit is so simple, and just to add a little bit of a color, a little bit of that, the boldness to it, you have to play with some heavy dupatta, and that is exactly what I've done. I've taken a brocade gold shimmer dupatta here, and I think it just complements the whole look so well. And with it, I've taken some very heavy, very bold jhumkis. I've taken a bag, like this is a potli bag, because I think potli bags go so well with Indian outfits. Here you can see that you can even style a black t-shirt into a Indian wear. So I think that's just amazing. Now coming to the fifth outfit, that is basically a dress. So I have this dress with me, which is like really revealing and body showing, and sometimes I don't want to wear something which is very much exposing my skin. So what I do is I basically wear this black t-shirt underneath. I think this black t-shirt goes so well with the dress, because it even keeps the chic factor into it, and at the same time it doesn't make me unconscious or something when I'm in a crowd where I think I don't want to wear something that is really exposing. Okay, so now coming to the sixth one, which is again one of my favorites and something that I had not thought of, but it turned out so amazing. And this is a jumpsuit that I've worn on top of this black t-shirt, and I think it looks so nice that I wouldn't wear this jumpsuit now without this t-shirt. I think it looks even better. So this is how I worn it, and I've styled it again with a black shoulder bag. And okay, so this outfit is something that you can wear at your home, just lazing around, monkeying around, and you can just wear it, and it looks so nice because I've just paired it with some jogger pants. And jogger pants have recently become my favorite, because obviously since we've been in lockdown for so long, jogger pants have been my rescue, my escape, and I think I've worn them the most. And this is how I've worn it with a black t-shirt, just a black t-shirt tucked it inside a jogger pants, and you're good to go. You can even go out for groceries, you can go out to the market if you want to, but don't go out if you don't have to. And it just looks so nice and so comfortable. And okay, so the last outfit here I have is where I've styled a black t-shirt with a blue high-waisted bell bottom. This is not exactly a bell bottom, but this is like a white flared pant. It is a denim pant, and it is high-waisted. And why I love this so much is because I am not recently I would say, but I just love high-waisted pants so much these days that whenever I'm going to buy any denim, I always look for high-waisted denims. And again, I've taken just a small bag with it, with the belt, and I've just tied it on my waist so that it's very comfortable. You don't have to carry a bag all the time, and again, it makes the outfit look so perfect for everywhere you want to go. So basically you can see that black is a color that you can pair with any color. Even if you have a red color pant, if you have a yellow color or pink color pant, you can just wear it with your black t-shirt and you are just good to go, because black is such a good color. It is such a universal color. I love black. It is actually my favorite color, I can say. But you can actually wear it with any color pant. So guys, that was all for the video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed and found it helpful. So basically, if you don't have a black t-shirt, I think you should definitely go and search for one right now after watching the video, because I think you will definitely need it after watching this video, because you can style it in so many ways, and there are so many more which I obviously could not bring all to one video, but I will definitely come up with more episodes with more trials. And you can definitely follow us on Instagram. Please follow our page so that you can be updated with every post. We upload one video, one post every day, and it's all fashion and beauty related content, so I think you would love it. So please go and follow us if you still haven't. The link is down below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for always giving your time, your love and your support, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.